Look, guys, here! Look! It's Amelia Watson! Oh my god, what the fuck? Play 5 games to unlock the Amelia Watson pack. What? Look at that, whoa!
Who's my favorite?
What did you say? What's your favorite? Oh, listen.
Yeah.
Listen.
Quadra kill.
That's 5 in a row.
That's 5 in a row! Oh my god. Holy shit. Ame can count. I unlocked the Amelia Watson 1 million celebration. Legendary. You're legendary, Ame. You're legendary. Ame, talk to me. Not you, Ame. The other Ame.
Okay.
I want the fake, no, the legendary Ame. The Ame, the Ame that I have here on my screen in OBS, she's a shiny, rare Ame, and the one in the game is the legendary Ame.